Good morning or afternoon. Today we will talk about the SIP, the Proven College of Engineers, focusing on this ethic code, the benefits, bench and members, the situation that can lead to suspension or removal of professional license. Ethics in engineers, the fundamental topic because the work of engineer directly affects society, safety, and national development. The SIP, what is the SIP? No, the SIP, en resumen, or Colegio de Ingenieros del Perú, is the official institute that regulates, supervises, and represents professional engineers in Peru. It ensures that engineers practice responsibility that follows established technical and ethical standards. Memberships in the SIP is mandatory to legally science in engineers document projects or reports or reports in the country. Is it have a convenience with other countries. Example: Spain, Colombia. Does it also protect the society insurance that only qualifies an ethical professional practice engineer? No, because we are we know as engineers works for others. No, this is a point important. No, what is ethic codes? No, ethics code is a set of rules and principles that guide the professional behavior of engineers. No, the purpose is to ensure honestly, integrity, transparency, responsibility, and respect for the society and the environment. It defines how the engineer must act in the professional situation, how to handle conflicts of interest, and how to protect the public safety. No, the ethical code promotes professional conduct that strengthens trust between engineers, clients, company, and society. No, means ethical principles is responsibility toward society, professional integrity, competence, confidentiality, loyalty, and respect, environmental responsibility, conflict of interest. Is much, but in resume, the engineers must pursue the safety, health, and well-being of the people. No, they cannot approve unsafe project or hide information. No, do you remember for the the bridge? The bridge is broken, but the engineers in this case talks or says that no se cayó, se desplomó. It's interesting. No, is no is the responsibility for this part of for he part is bad. It's not ethical principles. No, it's not professional. No, this part is important. Is important responsibility towards society. No, and we the engineers work for the society, prioritize the safety, healthy, professional integrity. The most act only about the frauds, plagiarism, and corruptions. The engineers is I I I want moments for the engineers plagiarism the thesis or information is, but it's not you, it's not the I. The engineer can falsify documents, calculation, or credentials. It's not legal, but the professional integrated it is necessary. Act honestly about the fraud. No, competition the engineers should only accept a job in the areas where they are technical qualified. No, it's important because the engineering electronics uh, work in your work in this area, and the engineer civil work in this area because the the engineers in the different engineers uh, study different shows. It's not the is it, at the start is same, but when you advance is very different. The information to talk say for you. Confidentially, that must protect the information of clients and employers. Only declares is required for public safety, loyalty, and respect. Engineers should treat colleagues, clients, and works fairly. Every responsibility that must design and work the way that minimizes any environmental impact. Uh, the other point is the benefits of being part of the SIP. No, uh, exists very benefits of the SIP. One is legal authorized to practice. Engineer can see a technical document, supervise work, and take position that require professional certification. No, professional recognition, SIP membership in enhanced credibility and trust. We're working with companies, clients, and government institutions. Um, maybe or uh, en algunos casos working out to the out to the Peru in maybe in Spain, Colombia is a convenio for the ship, no protection and support. The ship defends engineers in legal, contractual, or ethical conflicts. Continuous educations in ship is have a have a, a, a course a course a course free if you are if you have a if you part for the ship, no members have access to course workshop conference and certification to provide their skills networking opportunities. Members can connect with other professionals, find job opportunities, and participate in committees or events. I think it is very important that the working opportunities because I know the CEOs or different persons is very important. Ethical and technical regulation. The SIP ensures that a professional manage high standards which improve the quality of engineering in the country. No, uh, other point if el seguro de vida, no sé cómo se dice en inglés, el seguro que puede ser como seguro pacífico o eso. Y this is interesting because the it's obviously you're paid for uh, no por pertenecer al SIP, sino por ser, como lo dijeron ellos, un ingeniero habilitado del SIP, ¿no? No sé cómo decirlo en inglés, una disculpa, pero ser habilitado para el SIP debes pagar unos 26 soles mensuales, ¿no? Y te dan esos beneficios que acabo de decir anteriormente, ¿no? Other point is how engineer can lose SIP membership or be sanctioned, ¿no? Professional negligence, design on site infrastructure systems causing harm or ignoring the safety standards, corruption or bribery, as if offering payments to influence decisions, falsifications, misuse of professional license, plagiarism or intellect dishonestly, breaking confidently, acting outside on one competence, moral or criminal offense. Sanctions include warning, temporary suspensions, economic penalties, and permanent expulsion from the ship, which means the engineer is no longer legally allowed to practice. No. In conclusion, in the ship plays a crucial role in the maintenance, ethical, responsible, and high quality engineers in Peru. It ethical code protects society, strangers and professions, and provides engineers with important benefits. However, failure to follow ethical standards can lead to serious penalties, including losing the right to practice. Ethics is not only role, it's the foundation of engineers. No, is other point. If I remember for the visit for in the ship, if if you don't complete for your will the move from that position, obviously, we were told the engineers from San Marcos had his participation in the super move because he has a pornography website. It's very it's very sad. Listening the engineer is part for San Marcos, so, but it is necessary. No, the engineer don't have a pornography website. No, other the projects that the SIP have a project. No, we is no we van, nos contaban que ellos quieren hacer llegar la comunicación a aldeas lejanas, ¿no? En los cuales solo se presenta 2G para lo cual se hizo un proyecto con la red satelital para que tengan comunicaciones y puedan saber sobre las noticias, porque en estos lugares no se tiene no se tiene mucho conocimiento, ¿no? Mira, para gente que no sabe la parte de 2G, simplemente es voz, nada más, solo llega voz, no, ni siquiera llega a 3G, que es voz y video, los cuales a veces no llega voz o llega muy pausado. Entonces ellos a veces nos contaban que en el proyecto que tenían, conversaban con la gente de ahí y ni siquiera estaban enterados de que había pasado el problema de coronavirus, ¿no? Y bueno, este proyecto que tienen, que es satelital, mejorará la ciudad, ¿no? De igual manera, también se ha comprado, ellos dicen que se han comprado osciloscopios, los han limpiado y esto y van a donarlos, ¿no? Nos comentaban, ¿no? Bueno, estos son proyectos que han realizado la CIP porque a veces el Estado no los realiza y se olvida de esas ciudades, y eso es parte también de trabajar en el CIP, ¿no? También hacer proyectos y bueno, pertenecer a esos proyectos importantes.